The news in detail. Multiple casualties took place at a stampede that broke out at the Sangam area of the Mahakumbh early Wednesday as crores of pilgrims jostled for space to take a holy dip on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and many union ministers, several chief ministers and opposition leaders across parties offered their condolences to the victims and their families. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wished a speedy recovery to the injured and informed that the local administration is engaged in helping the victims in every possible way.
जो दुखद हादसा हुआ है उस हादसे में हमें कुछ पुण्यात्माओं को खोना पड़ा है, कई लोगों को चोटें भी आई हैं। मैं प्रभावित परिवारों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं और घायलों के जल्द स्वस्थ होने की कामना करता हूं।
The government has approved the